Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm making Sunday dinner and we're having chicken pot pie. So if you're interested in how I make this pot pie, then keep watching. Okay guys, so let me share with you my ingredients. First, as you can see here, I'll start with the most important item of the dish is the chicken. And I have about 2 cups of, cut cubed chicken. And I actually used fried chicken because that's what we had already. And so I just cut the chicken up into little chunks. And yeah, so I have about 2 cups of chicken. I have, I'm going to use 2 cups of Bisquick. And as you can see here, I have the original Bisquick, which is actually a pancake baking mix. And so, yeah, I'm going to use 2 cups of that. I have 1 cup of milk. And I have 2 eggs, 2 cans of cream of chicken condensed soup. And these cans are 10.5 ounces. So I have 2 of those. And I have a 16-ounce bag of classic mixed vegetables, as you can see that there, which has green beans, corn, and sweet peas. Then I have an extra bag of corn because I like corn a lot, so I'm going to add extra corn. And also, of course, in pot pie you usually have potatoes in it, and I could not find frozen potatoes at the grocery store, so I did pick up this package of vegetable soup mix, which does have carrots, potatoes, corns, green beans, green peas, baby lima beans, okra, celery, and onions. So I'm taking out the okra and the lima beans, and so that left this bowl of the other mixed vegetables. So I have that, which that's a 10-ounce bag, 12-ounce package of the mixed vegetables. And as you can see here, these are the lima beans and okra that I took out of the package. So it really wasn't that much anyway, but I didn't want that in my pot pie, so I took those out. Alrighty, so let's get started. Now I'm going to combine the chicken and the vegetables into my pan here. I have my Rachael Ray baking dish. So I think this is like a 9 by 11 or something like that. I don't know the dimensions of this dish, but at any rate, this is the size because we have a fairly large family, and so I needed to make at least 12 servings. So that's the size dish that I'm using. So now let me get over here and combine these items here. So I'll start first. Let's move this over here a bit. Move my eggs. Okay. So first I'll add in the corn. And I should have mentioned too, this is a 12-ounce package of corn. And this package of mixed vegetables, which actually, guys, I think I'm going to take out maybe half of this corn. I don't think we're going to need that much extra corn. So I'll take half that out. Then I'll add in my mixed vegetables. I have that there. I'm going to put in my soup vegetables. Let's move this over here a bit so you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. So I'm going to add my other vegetables here. And I'm going to see if I'll add more. I don't know just yet. I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, now I'm going to give this all a quick stir. This recipe is super easy. It only takes about 5 minutes to prep, outside of, the prep time to cut up the chicken. But otherwise, this is a really quick and easy prep. So I got my chicken mixed in with my veggies. Looking good, looking good. So I think I'm going to go ahead now and add my soup. Let's get that opened. And pour that in. And I'm going to mix this all up here in just a bit. That's one. And get my other one. And spread that all about. Guys, you know I'm all about easy meals that's also filling for my family. So now I'm going to just mix this up a bit. And stir it in. Doesn't have to be perfectly mixed, but you know, mixed enough. So I'm just trying to get, you know, pretty much a coating on the majority of the vegetables. So just keep that, get it all mixed in there. Alrighty. So now that that's mixed up, now I'm going to mix my Bisquick so that I can add that on top. So I will be right back. Okay, so now I have my dry ingredients. So I've already put 1 cup of Bisquick in the bowl. And so I'm adding the 2nd cup here. And I'm adding my milk. So I'm going to just kind of stir this with a fork. Get that mixed up a bit there. And this is just how I like to do it. I like to add half the milk or so first and then add my eggs and then add the remainder. I don't know why. It's no reason or no rhyme or reason to it. That's just how I usually do it. Okay, so that's one. And here's the other egg there. Let's put this over here. Now I'll add the remainder of my milk. And give that a good stir. As you see, I'm getting that mixed all in. Getting that mixed in really good there. And then once this is all mixed, I'm going to pour this on top of my vegetable mix. So I'm going to get this mixed up here. As you can see, it's coming together. It's coming together here. Okay, so it's just about there. I just want to get the majority of the lumps out. And then I am going to be ready to pour this on top of my mixture. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, so now I have my mixture mixed well, and so I'm just going to pour it over top here, as you can see. And I just want to ensure that you know, I would get a pretty even coating across the top. And I think that is it. I'm going to put this in the oven. My oven has been preheating to 400 degrees, and so it is ready. And so I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 30 minutes or until it is golden brown on top. So let's put this here. Just getting all that out. Okay, so now I will... okay, so let's add this to the oven. Like I mentioned, my oven's already preheated to 400, so let's move this here. Oops. And let's put this in the oven. Okay guys, as I mentioned, I'll let that bake for about 30 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, while that's baking, I wanted to share with you, when I was in Kroger's, which is our local grocery store, they had all of this candy marked to 75% off. And so, you know, I had to take advantage. So they were calling this all Valentine's Day candy assortments. And so this 12-ounce bag of chocolate kisses was $1.09. So I got 4 bags of those. And they had this assorted party bag of Reese's peanut butter cups and Kit Kat wafers. This bag was $3, and it is the 40-ounce bag. Normally this is like I think it was like $10 or $11.99, something like that. I got 2 of these, and I also picked up this bag of Lindor chocolates. It's strawberry and cream limited edition chocolate, so it's strawberries and white. It's a white chocolate truffle with strawberry cream. So 8.5 ounce bag of that. So yeah, I picked that up. This was also $1.09. So yeah, I thought we would give that a try. So I just wanted to share with you guys this deal that I found at the store for the after Valentine's Day candies. Now it has been time, so it's time to take our pot pie out of the oven. So let me turn this off and get in here. Oh, golden brown. Looks delicious. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plate this, and we will be ready for dinner. Let's put this here. I'm going to move this candy out the way a bit. Actually, yeah, let's see here. Let's bring you in a little bit closer first before I cut it so you guys can see how it turned out. Looks really yummy. So now let's plate. And as I mentioned earlier, it's been rainy here every day for like the last several weeks. So again, this is comfort food for a wet, rainy, chilly Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. Normally I like to plate a little bit better than this, but okay, there you go. Sunday dinner. I'll make another plate. So I'll make it a little bit nicer looking. You guys know you eat with your eyes first. So if it doesn't look appetizing, then many times people aren't interested in giving it a try. So I like for my plates to look appealing. So I'm going to replate this, at least the one for my husband. I'll have that one for me, but this one will be for my husband. Okay, there you go, guys. And you can, of course, you could pair this with a side salad, but there's not really any need because it's filled with vegetables already. So this is a nice, healthy dinner option for your give Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if so, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.